Hey everyone, hello again from the potager. You can see I'm in the greenhouse, which has lots of panels on it. It's worked out quite well. Still in the process of making sure that it's storm tight. Still a couple of battens to put across. This was a greenhouse I got about 10 years ago now, so it was second hand, and when I was out in North County it really did suffer a lot of wind damage. But I put it up here and I've done a lot of work. I put a lot of brackets, and you can see that, and securing it as best as I can. The next storms will really test it. I do think there's a storm Hugh coming up, so it'll be Hugh versus Hugh. We'll see who wins. And you see the strips of wire, bull wire, agricultural grade bull wire. Frames have been drilled and it's been pulled and tightened, as well as the usual clips. The door, which is taken off on more than one occasion. If you followed me on Twitter for a few years, you would have seen the door which is taken off. But anyway, it's back on again. And you can see there's a nice handle that I reclaimed off a coffee table that was being thrown out. This piece does, in actual fact, fold outwards. If the door doesn't come off. Back in a minute. Yeah, you can see a nice handle there. I reclaimed off a coffee table, and there's hinges on this panel which actually folds down. So during the summer, the idea being, of course, we'd be able to vent it and aerate it. Take that down from there. I was securing. So you can see I'm putting in extra bolts, so I have to fit washers on those before these are as tight as I want them. But for now, they'll do. And of course, have to have a good paving slab outside. Step in. It's like a welcoming mat, isn't it? So can you see it? The only slugs or snails welcomed here. That was a tile. That was a tile that was left here by the previous allotment holder. So yeah, it's lovely. I don't know why they left it, but anyway, there you go. So I have been sowing some seed at home, so I can show you. I'll give you an update on how they're doing next week. Fairly similar to what everyone else is doing. You know, tomato seeds have gone into the heated propagator, and then in the cold, the unheated propagator, I have some more sweet pea and some broad beans and so on. But I'll give you an update on those next week. In the meantime, I'm just going to continue on working here where the bark is. I'm going to scrape away the bark in one half first and put down chicken wire, put the bark back, and then the same in the other half. But that's to keep our rodent friends away. So that's a good rainy day task that I'm going to crack on with, as well as securing some of those final bolts that I was talking about. So it's only a quick one. There's plenty more, don't you know? There'll be plenty more as the weeks go by. Hope you're all keeping well, enjoying your videos. Everything from seed being sown to pickling to building up beds, composts, types of composts to use. Fantastic stuff. So keep well. Remember to like and to, what did I say? What's the pointing down? Like and subscribe. If I was good with video graphics, a subscribe clip would actually come up, but I'm not, so it's not going to. I will get some sort of poster or banner at some stage that says subscribe. Anyway, look after yourselves, and I shall talk to you soon. Take care from here. God bless. Bye bye.